Hello, boys and girls. This week we are going to read a book called Afternoon on the Amazon. It is a Magic Treehouse book. It is the number 6 in the series, and it is written by Mary Pope Osborne. And today I'm going to be reading Chapter 1. Chapter 1. Where's Peanut? "Hurry, Jack!" shouted Annie. Annie ran into the Frog Creek woods. Jack followed her. "It's still here," Annie called. Jack caught up with Annie. She stood beside a tall oak tree. Jack looked up. The magic tree house was shining in the afternoon sunlight. "We're coming, Peanut," Annie called. She grabbed the rope ladder and started up. Jack followed. They climbed and climbed. Finally, they climbed into the treehouse. "Peanut," said Annie. Jack took off his backpack. He looked around. Sunlight slanted across a stack of books. Books about ninjas, pirates, mummies, knights, and dinosaurs. The letter M shimmered on the wooden floor. M for Morgan Le Fay. "I don't think Peanut's here," said Jack. "I wonder where she is," said Annie. "How do you know Peanut's a she?" asked Jack. "I just know it," said Annie. "Oh, brother," said Jack. "Squeak!" Annie laughed. "Look, Jack!" A small pink sock was moving across the floor. Yesterday Annie had turned her sock into a bed for Peanut. Annie picked up the tiny lump. Squeak! A brown and white mouse peeked out of the sock. She looked from Annie to Jack with her big eyes. Jack laughed. "Hi, Peanut," he said. "Will you help us again today?" asked Annie. In old Japan, Peanut had helped them when they'd gotten lost. "We have to find 3 more things for Morgan," said Annie. Jack pushed his glasses into place. "First, we have to find a clue that tells us where to begin," he said. "Guess what?" said Annie. "What?" said Jack. "We don't have to look very far." She pointed at a corner of the treehouse. In the shadows was an open book. And that was Chapter 1.